Stimuli and responses in plants. Most people think, because plants have no legs, that they don't move. But plants do move, just very slowly. Like all living organisms, plants respond to stimuli, such as light, moisture, gravity. Tropisms. How a plant responds to gravity, moisture, and light are called tropisms. In humans, we have a growth hormone. Plants also have growth hormones. They're called auxins. If there is some auxins in a part of a plant than others, the result may be that the plant bends towards or away from the stimulus. Tropisms can be either negative, away from the stimulus, or positive, towards the stimulus. Phototropism. How a plant responds to light. The green part of a plant that we can see is called the shoot. That normally bends towards light. This is because auxin is destroyed by light, so more auxin builds up on the shaded part of the plant. This makes the shaded part grow faster than the part in light, so the plant will bend towards the light source, which is good for the plant because it maximizes photosynthesis. So we can say that shoots, the green bits, exhibit positive phototropism, that is, they grow towards light, and the roots, the bits underground, exhibit negative phototropism, that is, they grow away from light. Geotropism, also called gravitotropism. This is how a plant responds to gravity. As you can see in a plant, the roots will bend, i.e. grow down towards gravity. This is because auxin is heavy and therefore moves towards gravity, but auxin actually stops root growth. It helps the shoot to grow, but it stops root growth. Because the auxin is on the lower side, the upper side grows faster. This causes the plant to bend towards gravity. So we can say that roots exhibit positive geotropism, they grow down, and shoots exhibit negative geotropism, they grow up. Hydrotropism, how a plant responds to water. An uneven degree of moisture, that's water, on either side of a root will cause more auxin to appear on the side with more moisture. So this inhibits growth on this side, which causes the root to bend and grow in that direction. So roots exhibit positive hydrotropism. They grow towards water, which is good for the plant, and shoots exhibit negative hydrotropism. They grow away from water. Thigmotropism, how a plant responds to touch or physical contact. So something like a vine will grow around a tree in order to get support, or some plants, the leaves will fold up when they are touched. This is a kind of defense mechanism. So shoots exhibit positive thigmotropism, they grow towards the object, and roots exhibit negative thigmotropism, they grow away. Nastic movements. Nastic movements, like tropisms, are plant movements that occur in response to environmental stimuli. Unlike tropic movements, the direction of the response does not depend on the direction of the stimulus. The most famous example of a nastic movement is the Venus flytrap, So the fly lands on like the mouth of the fly trap, and the fly trap then closes its mouth, engulfing the fly and getting a tasty meal.